Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcut cards on this watch, basically widgets. First, let me show you how to access the shortcut cards on this watch. So, wake up the screen by pressing the crown button, and after you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the shortcut cards menu. And as you can see here we have the list of shortcuts or shortcut cards. I would call them widgets, but for some reason Amazfit calls them shortcut cards, which is kind of weird, but to each their own. Anyway, we have the list and we can customize this list. To do it, scroll all the way down through this list, tap on the settings icon, and here we can do a couple of things. We can add a new shortcut, we can remove a shortcut, and we can change the order of the shortcuts on the list. To add the shortcut, tap on the plus button, scroll through the list, find the shortcut you want to add, and tap on the plus button next to it to add it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. So that's how you add the shortcut. To remove the shortcut, to find the shortcut you want to remove, tap on it, tap on the pen icon to remove it. And to change the order on the list, select the shortcut you want to move, and then you can swipe up and down on the screen to move it, like that, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And here we have our edited shortcut list. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you customize the shortcut cards, or so-called widgets, on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.